Welcome to our channel. If you want to roll over your 401k to an IRA without triggering taxes or penalties, follow these step-by-step instructions to properly transfer your retirement funds. Step 1. Decide whether you want to roll over to a traditional individual retirement account or Roth individual retirement account. Traditional 401k funds typically roll over to traditional individual retirement account to avoid immediate taxes. Step 2. Open an IRA account with your chosen financial institution such as Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab if you don't already have one established. Step 3. Contact your 401k plan administrator by phone or through their website to request a direct rollover. Locate their contact information on your 401k statement or plan documents. Step 4. Request a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer where the funds move directly from your 401k to your new IRA. This method avoids mandatory withholding and potential penalties. Step 5. Provide your 401k administrator with your new IRA account information including the account number, institution name, and routing information for the transfer. Step 6. Complete any required paperwork from your 401k administrator. They may require your signature on distribution forms or electronic authorization through their portal. Step 7. Wait for the transfer to complete, which typically takes 2 to 4 weeks. The funds will be sent via check or electronic transfer directly to your IRA custodian. Step 8. Verify that all funds have arrived in your IRA account and choose how to invest them. You have 60 days to complete the rollover if handling the check yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.